Chapter 3. Mental models change everything. Every action you take is guided by a belief about how things work. You may not notice it, but it is always there. When you decide quickly, you are using a model. When you hesitate, you are using a model. When you avoid something entirely, you are still using a model. A mental model is simply your internal explanation of reality. If the explanation is inaccurate, effort produces poor results. If the explanation is accurate, even small actions work well. This is why two people can face the same situation and get completely different outcomes. They are not different in intelligence. They are different in how they see. Many business struggles are not caused by lack of effort. They are caused by wrong mental models. For example, many people carry these models quietly. Business is risky. Selling is manipulation. Money is dirty. Marketing means exaggeration. These ideas are not facts. They are inherited assumptions. When you operate with these models, you behave cautiously, defensively, or not at all. Now consider a different model. Business is structured value exchange. Selling is helping someone decide. Money is feedback for usefulness. Marketing is clear communication. Notice how behavior changes immediately. Same person, same skill, different outcomes. Mental models act like lenses. If the lens is distorted, the world looks dangerous. If the lens is clear, the world looks manageable. This is why learning methods alone does not work. Methods tell you what to do. Mental models tell you why it works. Without the why, methods feel fragile. With the why, you can create your own methods. Here is a simple real-life observation. A person follows a business strategy from a book. It works for a while. Then conditions change. The strategy fails. One person panics and quits. Another adjusts calmly. What is the difference? The second person understands the underlying model. They know which part matters and which part is flexible. That is real competence. This book focuses on mental models because they travel across situations. They help you adapt instead of freeze, simplify instead of complicate, decide instead of delay. This is also where AI fits beautifully. AI does not replace thinking. It helps you test your thinking. You can ask AI, what assumptions am I making? What could I be missing? How else can this be seen? Used correctly, AI helps you refine your mental models faster. But remember this clearly. AI gives options. You choose the model you accept. That responsibility always stays with you. As your mental models improve, fear reduces, confidence stabilizes, decisions feel lighter. You stop reacting to surface events. You start responding to structure. That is the difference between stress and control. Pause here. Ask yourself one quiet question. Which belief about business might be outdated in my mind? Do not judge it. Just notice it. That noticing alone is progress. In the next chapter, we will talk about using AI correctly. Not as a shortcut, not as a crutch, but as a learning companion that strengthens judgment instead of weakening it. Chapter 3 complete.